Need a brain training coach? Then attend the PhotoReading workshop to learn how to photo read at 25,000 words per minute. All in just 2.5 days. Professionals from accountants and lawyers to rocket scientists have attended this brain-enhancing workshop. What if you think of yourself as a slow reader, or you have dyslexia or poor concentration? Can PhotoReading still work for you? Yes, you can still photo read. You'll read and learn faster than you ever thought possible, whether you're aged 7 or 70 plus. Got further questions? You can book a free 20-minute consultation with PhotoReading instructor Marilyn Devonish via TranceFormationstm.com. Ready to book your place? With the on-demand class, you can get started as soon as today. Blasting through books in 5 minutes. Go to TranceFormationstm.com.